You check your bank app balance. $0. Rent's due, fridge is empty, and your phone won't stop buzzing. You brace for disaster, right? But what if this rock bottom moment is exactly how world-changing ideas start? You're stranded, broke, and alone, just like Zeno, whose Shipwreck in 300 BCE created Stoicism. You wander lost, desperate, then stumble into a dusty bookshop with a scroll that rewires your brain. Find Socrates, can one scroll really flip your entire destiny around? And the wildest part? Stoicism's founder only discovered it because he lost everything, literally overnight. A philosophy so powerful, it shaped kings, generals, and every day. The name Stoic comes from the Stoa, a real, bustling public porch. Today, Stoic means calm, but ancient Stoics? They were fierce thinkers, bolder than you imagine. Stoicism isn't emotionless, it's mastering emotion's power, not denying what you truly feel. The roots of Stoicism run deep. It's not just patience, it's radical mastery over your entire life. Imagine life as cosmic chess, every move, every reason, every effect shaping your next step. They called this order Logos, the universe's secret code, hiding in plain sight just for you. You can't stop the storm, but you steer your ship. Your response is where your true power lives. Forget utopia Stoics face chaos, meeting life's wildness with sharp, clear focus every single time. So, what are these 4 Stoic secrets that help you master chaos and yourself? Wisdom means seeing through confusion, acting with logic. Imagine dodging chaos with perfect clarity. Temperance. Resisting that third slice of cake or ancient wine like you've got superhuman self-control. Justice. Treating everyone fairly, even the person who just swiped your last coin from your hand. Courage isn't fighting lions, it's showing up for life's daily messes. Face challenges head on. That's how Seneca rolled robe, sandals, and all. Seneca said, "Sometimes surviving Monday is an act of courage." You know that feeling, right? But Stoicism isn't just self-help for toga wearers. It's about everyone. When Rome saw slaves as things, Seneca shocked everyone. They're people. Treat them like you. He reminded Romans, underneath it all, we share a common humanity. Stoics aren't passive. Only the self-disciplined like you can actually change the world for real. Build virtue yourself, then inspire others. No toga required, but it. Meet Marcus Aurelius. Philosopher, emperor, and probably history's most overworked boss. Sound familiar? For 19 years, Stoicism was Marcus's secret weapon for surviving. But that was just the beginning. Stoicism made Marcus unbreakable as Rome's world collapsed. Picture this. Marcus's wisdom outlasted empires, outliving even his grandchildren's wildest hopes. Centuries later, those same words became Mandela's lifeline, helping him survive 27 years locked away. Imagine yourself in darkness. Stoicism became Mandela's invisible armor against despair. Once free, Mandela stunned the world. He knew, we can't rewrite yesterday's pain, but we can face injustice now and build something better together. Wait, it gets better. Stoicism secretly rewired minds for centuries, quietly yet powerfully. As an institution, Stoicism faded, but its ideas refused to. Even Thomas Aquinas, yes, the famous theologian, borrowed Stoic secrets for his teachings. You see, virtues like courage and wisdom Stoics even inspired medieval masterminds. Here's what nobody expected. Stoic calmness, ataraxia, mirrors Buddhist inner peace, right? Remember rock bottom? One Stoic Epictetus turns suffering into a superpower forever. He proves suffering isn't your empty bank app, it's the story you choose to believe. Here's what blows my mind. Modern therapy is obsessed with this rewrite your fate like Zeno after Shipwreck. That's the secret of cognitive therapy. Change your thoughts, and you rewrite your entire story. Therapy today? It's Stoicism in sweatpants, same wisdom. Only now with memes and group chats. Now, Imagine this. Viktor Frankl found freedom where hope should have died. How did he do it? He survived hell, then built logotherapy, Stoic strength forged in history's darkest furnace. That $0 balance staring back at you? It's not a dead end, it's the blank page where world-changing ideas begin. Next time you hit rock bottom, remember, meaning isn't found, it's forged from the struggle you survive. If you're ready to turn zero into your launchpad, hit subscribe, because in the next episode, we're pushing Stoicism to its limits and showing how your lowest point can fuel your biggest comeback.